Welcome to Uttermind. Getting Things Done, Mastering the Art of Stress-Free Productivity. Getting Things Done is a book by David Allen that was first published in 2001. It has since become a classic in the field of productivity and time management, and has inspired millions of people to improve their work and life. In this book, Allen presents a comprehensive system for managing tasks and information, called the GTD system, which stands for Getting Things Done. The GTD system is designed to help you get organized, reduce stress, and increase productivity by providing a framework for capturing, processing, and organizing information and tasks. Chapter 1: The Art of Stress-Free Productivity. The first chapter of Getting Things Done introduces the concept of stress-free productivity and sets the stage for the rest of the book. Allen argues that the root cause of stress and disorganization is the inability to effectively manage our thoughts, tasks, and information. He highlights the importance of developing a system for managing these things, and presents the GTD system as a solution. Chapter 2: Collect. The second chapter focuses on the first step of the GTD system, which is to collect information and tasks. Allen argues that in order to be productive, we need to have a system for capturing and organizing the things that come our way, whether it be emails, tasks, or thoughts. He provides tips for capturing information quickly and efficiently, and stresses the importance of having a designated place for storing and processing information. Chapter 3: Process. The third chapter focuses on the second step of the GTD system, which is to process information and tasks. Allen argues that in order to be productive, we need to process our information and tasks quickly and effectively, and make decisions about what to do with them. He provides tips for processing information and tasks quickly and efficiently, and stresses the importance of having a system for categorizing and organizing information and tasks. Chapter 4: Organize. The fourth chapter focuses on the third step of the GTD system, which is to organize information and tasks. Allen argues that in order to be productive, we need to have a system for organizing our information and tasks, so that we can access and act on them quickly and easily. He provides tips for organizing information and tasks effectively, and stresses the importance of having a system for prioritizing and scheduling tasks. Chapter 5: Review. The fifth chapter focuses on the final step of the GTD system, which is to review information and tasks regularly. Allen argues that in order to be productive, we need to have a system for reviewing our information and tasks regularly, so that we can stay on top of our work and life. He provides tips for reviewing information and tasks effectively, and stresses the importance of having a system for reflecting on our progress and goals. In conclusion, Getting Things Done is a comprehensive guide to managing information and tasks, and achieving stress-free productivity. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just someone who wants to improve your work and life, this book is definitely worth reading. With its clear and concise writing style, practical tips, and thought-provoking insights, it's sure to inspire you to rethink your approach to productivity, and to find greater happiness and fulfillment in your work and life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Uttermind.